And nope, I didn't curl my hair. My hair is natural curly. Or natural, like this. And I just came home because I wanted, I was going to the mall, blah, blah, blah. And they got stuff. I wanted some natural, fresh air. Means I wanted some fresh air because I've been caught in this house for a few hours before the rain. It sprinkled, but I am hungry. I wanted to get home to see my what. And then we're going to the mall and Walmart. Now it's the gas station to get a soda. And I'm taking that out. I'm going to take out my wallet because I don't have $23. I have like 10 something maybe. I've got 5 in there for the picnic and I think that's it. That's this week. Got a pop for $2.15. I'll do. And where is my receipt? That's it. I went to Subway and it was $6.99. My chip was $1.25. $8.24. $8.29 gave them 10.20. I got 11.11. 11.11. I get the wrap. Got a chicken and broth. It's like chicken breast, bacon, all that stuff. I can't wait to eat. And it's almost like this one right there. I got that one. Add a broth to any sub or wrap. I found one that's on the window, but I didn't see Hannah today because she was going shopping with her mom, and she's like, I don't know what she said because I was on the middle of the road talking to her. And we're gonna eat, get comfy clothes on, get all these wet clothes that I had on all day, and maybe watch Never Say Never, eat, and have an awesome night. And tomorrow it'll be like church in the morning. Church in the morning with Chadlick, my honey. And then I'm coming home to get ready for our bike ride. Me and honey's hangout day. I really want Taco John's. Might go to Taco John's. We might go to, I don't know where we're gonna go eat. But we're eating somewhere different that we always go. He wants to walk, and I'm like, honey, we should bike. Like, how would I get my bike? Go home, grab change, grab your bike. It's like that, honey. I will talk to you guys later. Happy Saturday. Happy rainy Saturday, everyone. And yesterday was Natural Donut Day. I didn't know that. What I want to eat, I had a chicken. I had a bacon egg thingy this morning. Then I had munchies, and then I didn't really have lunch today. I want to go. I want to relax and have a relaxing night. And on this video, I never want stick in a bar. Because on a Saturday night, don't go downtown where you live. There's bars and crazy people, and I never want to go down there again on my bike. Because it's crazy, 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 crazy. On a Saturday night, I like to hang out with my family and friends. That means Hannah and her mom sometimes. Friday and Saturday into the weekend, I like to hang out with my friends. Sometimes I like to hang out with my mom or my dad or my family. And I just can't wait to hang out with my sister. I just can't wait. I just can't wait to hold that baby. Come Haven, come Haven, come Haven, Haven, Haven. I'll let you know when she comes. She might come a little late. You never know. And I'm gonna eat. I wanna go, but comment down below if you stay home with family and friends, just hang out at home, be bored. Yeah, kind of have a boring day today, but bye.